हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शुभम। आप देख रहे हैं नॉलेज की दुनिया। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि ऐसी कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियोस आप मिस ना करें। गाइस, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द टॉप 10 डेडलीस्ट डिजीज इन द वर्ल्ड। दुनिया की सबसे 10 खतरनाक बीमारियां जिसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। गाइस, पहली है हमारी CAD, कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज। सेकेंड है हमारा स्ट्रोक। थर्ड है हमारा रेस्पिरेटरी इलनेस। फोर्थ है हमारा COPD। फिफ्थ है हमारा कैंसर। सिक्स्थ है हमारा डायबिटीज़। सेवन्थ है हमारा अल्जाइमर डिजीज़। एट है हमारा डायरिया। नाइन्थ है हमारा TB यानी कि ट्यूबरक्लोसिस। एंड टेंथ है हमारा सिरोसिस। गाइस, पहला है हमारा इस्केमिक हार्ट डिजीज और यू कैन से कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज। तो ये जो हमारा होता है दी डेडलीस्ट डिजीज इन दी वर्ल्ड इज कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज एंड also called ischemic heart disease. And coronary artery disease occurs when the blood vessels that supply blood to the heart become narrowed. And untreated coronary artery disease can lead to chest pain, heart failure, and arrhythmias. और गाइस, रिस्क फैक्टर एंड प्रिवेंशन जो है हमारे वो हैं हाई हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, स्मोकिंग, फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज, डायबिटीज, बीइंग ओवरवेट. Guys, talk if this symptoms is in your body, so you can talk to your doctor if you have one or more these risk factors. And you can prevent coronary artery disease with medications and by maintaining good heart health. And some steps you can take to decrease your risk include exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet that's low in sodium and high in fruits and vegetables, avoiding smoking, drinking only in moderation. Next है guys हमारा stroke. A stroke occurs when an artery in your brain is blocked or leaks. This causes the oxygen deprived brain cells to begin dying within minutes. During a stroke, you feel sudden numbness and confusion or have trouble walking and seeing. If left untreated, a stroke can cause long-term disability. And risk factor and prevention. Guys, risk factors for a stroke include high blood pressure, family history of a stroke, smoking especially when combined with oral contraceptives, being African American, being female. Some risk factors of a stroke can be reduced with preventative care, medications, and lifestyle changes. In general, good health habits can lower your risk. Guys, stroke prevention methods may include controlling high blood pressure with medications or surgery. You should also maintain a healthy lifestyle, complete with regular exercise and a healthy diet that's low in sodium, avoiding smoking and drinking only in moderation, as these activities increase your risk of stroke. Third है हमारा lower respiratory infections. A lower respiratory infection is an infection in your airways and lungs. It can be due to influenza or the flu, pneumonia, bronchitis, tuberculosis. Viruses usually causes lower respiratory infections and they can also be caused by bacteria. Coughing is the main symptom of a lower respiratory infection. You may also feel breathlessness, wheezing, and a tight feeling in your chest. Untreated lower respiratory infections can lead to breathing failure and death. Risk factor and preventions include the flu, poor air quality or frequent exposure to lung irritants, smoking. A weak immune system, crowded childcare settings which mainly affect infants, asthma, HIV. One of the best preventative measures you can take against lower respiratory infection is to get the flu shot every year. People at high risk of pneumonia can also get a vaccine. Wash your hand regularly with soap and water to avoid transmitted bacteria. especially before touching your face and before eating. Stay at home and rest until you feel better. If you have a respiratory infection, as rest improve healing. नेक्स्ट है गाइस हमारा chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a long-term progressive lung disease that makes breathing difficulty. Chronic bronchitis and emphysema are types of COPD. In 2004, about 64 million people trusted source around the world were living with coronary obstructive pulmonary disease. Risk factor and prevention. Factors for the COPD include smoking or second-hand smoke, lung irritants like chemical fumes, family history with the AATD gene being linked to COPD, history of respiratory infection as a child. There's no cure for COPD, but its progression can be slowed with medication. The best ways to prevent COPD are to stop smoking and to avoid second-hand smoke and other lungs irritants. If you experience any COPD symptoms, getting treatment as soon as possible increases your outlook. Next है guys हमारा trachea, bronchus and lung cancers. Respiratory cancers include cancers of the trachea, larynx, bronchus and lungs. The main causes are smoking, second-hand smoke, and environmental toxins, but household pollution such as fuels and mold also contribute. Risk factors and prevention. So guys, risk factors included trachea, bronchus and lungs cancer can affect anyone, but they are most likely to affect those who have a history of smoking or tobacco use. Other risk factors for these cancers include family history and exposure to environmental factors such as diesel fumes. Aside from avoiding fumes and tobacco products, it is not known if there's anything else that can be done to prevent lung cancer. However, early detection can improve your outlook and reduce the symptoms of respiratory cancer. Next है guys हमारा diabetes mellitus. Diabetes is a group of diseases that affect insulin production and use. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas cannot produce insulin. The cause is not known. In type 2 diabetes, the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or insulin cannot be used effectively. Type 2 diabetes can be caused by a number of factors including poor diet, lack of exercise and being overweight. Risk factors for diabetes include excess body weight, high blood pressure, older age, not exercising regularly, and unhealthy diet. While diabetes is not always preventable, you can control the severity of symptoms by exercising regularly and maintaining good nutrition. Adding more fiber to your diet can help with controlling your blood sugar. Next है guys हमारा Alzheimer disease and other dementias. Alzheimer disease is a progressive disease that destroys memory and interrupts normal mental functions. These includes thinking, reasoning and typical behavior. Alzheimer disease is the most common type of dementia. 60 to 80% of dementia cases are in fact Alzheimer's. The disease starts off by causing mild memory problems, difficulty recalling information, and slips in recollection. Risk factors for Alzheimer's disease include being older than 65, a family history of diseases, inheriting genes for the disease from your parents, exciting mild cognitive impairment, Down syndrome, unhealthy lifestyle, being female, previous head trauma. One thing that may be helpful in reducing your risk of the diseases is a heart-healthy diet, a diet that's high in fruits and vegetables, low in saturated fats from meat and dairy, and high in source of good fats like nuts, olive oil, and lean fish may be may help you reduce your risk of more than just heart disease. They may protect your brain from Alzheimer disease too. Next है guys हमारा dehydration due to diarrheal disease. Diarrhea is when you pass 3 or more loose stools in a day. If your diarrhea lasts more than a few days, your body loses too much water and salt. This causes dehydration, which can lead to death. Diarrhea is usually caused by an intestinal virus or bacteria transmitted through contaminated water or food. It's particularly widespread in developing nations with poor sanitary conditions. Risk factors for diarrheal diseases include living in an area with poor sanitary conditions, no access to clean water, age with children being the most likely to experience severe symptoms of diarrheal diseases, malnourishment, a weakened immune system. According to UNICEF, the best method of prevention is practicing good hygiene. Good hand washing techniques can reduce the incidence of diarrheal diseases by 40%. Improved sanitization and water quality as well as access to early medical intervention can also help prevent diarrheal diseases. Next है हमारा tuberculosis यानी कि TB. Tuberculosis is a lung condition caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is a treatable airborne bacterium. Although some strains are resistant to conventional treatments. Tuberculosis is one of the top causes of death in people who have HIV. About 35% trusted source of HIV-related death are due to TB. Risk factors for tuberculosis include diabetes, HIV infections, a lower body weight, proximity to others with tuberculosis, regular use of certain medications like corticosteroids or drugs that suppress the immune system. The best prevention against TB is to get Bacillus Calmette-Guerin BCG vaccine. This is commonly given to children. If you think you have been exposed to TB bacteria, you can start taking a treatment medications called chemoprophylaxis to reduce the likelihood of developing the conditions. Next है हमारा guys cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the result of chronic or long-term scarring and damage to the liver. The damage may be the result of a kidney disease, or it can be caused by conditions like hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. A healthy liver filters harmful substances from your blood and sends healthy blood into your body. As substances damage the liver, as more scar tissue forms, the liver has to work harder to function properly. Ultimately, the liver may stop working. Risk factors for cirrhosis include chronic alcohol use, fat accumulation around the liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, chronic viral hepatitis. Stay away from the behaviors that can lead to liver damage to help prevent cirrhosis. Long-term alcohol use and abuse is one of the leading causes of cirrhosis. So avoiding alcohol can help you prevent damage. Likewise, you can avoid non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases by eating a diet that's healthy, rich in fruits and vegetables, and low in sugar and fat. Lastly, you can reduce the likelihood of contracting viral hepatitis by using protection during sex and by avoiding sharing anything that could have a traces of blood. This includes needles, razors, toothbrushes and थैंक यू गाइज. सो गाइज आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो आप मिस ना करें.